Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Christmas star. As always, we appreciate your support. Please hit like and subscribe. For this project you will need 5 nail railing boards, which I have over there. This is my helpful assistant Pebbles, supervising my work. First I start drilling pilot holes into each end of these sticks so I can put them together to form a star. Then I'll put 1.5 inch, these are particle board screws, but you could use wood screws too, obviously. But I just put the pilot hole in so the screw doesn't crack the wood. Then I form the wood into the general shape of the star so I can organize the wood, overlaps and underneaths and all that jazz to make it a nice little star shape. And once I have my shape, then I will continue drilling my pilot holes and putting in the screws so I can hold it all together. Except for the wood, this whole project is using recycled materials. We have some old garland we're not using, some old lights, and some old screws. So all we paid for was the wood, really. And we got that for half price at Lowe's. This project basically cost us about $5, just the price of the wood. For other money-saving DIYs, check out our other videos. Once all the tips of the star are done, then I'll put more pilot holes into each of the joins as well, just to give it a lot more stability. Once the pilot holes have been drilled, you can put in your screws. Once the star is all secured with its screws, then we'll start wrapping the Christmas lights around it. Then we'll just start unraveling it, and then we'll start just to give a rough idea of how much I have and how much I'll need, just to make sure I have enough first. And I do have enough lights, and now I'll secure them down, trying to make sure the lights are poking up. So I'll use twist ties to secure the lights to the frame of the star. And as we keep going around tying, if you have too much light, you can always just keep going. So one part will be a little brighter, but not a big deal. And then once that's done, we'll snip the tips off of all our twist ties. Just be very careful there that you don't snip the lights. There we go. Once that's all tidied up, we'll start with the garland. We'll just wrap it around one end of the star. Secure that with a twist tie as well, and then continue wrapping around the lights. And you'll probably want to make sure you put the garland in between each bulb almost, so that we don't have any unsightly gaps in our star. And when you're wrapping your garland, it's not a bad idea to get a can or something to put underneath the star to give you the height that you need so you can wrap easier. This is a relatively easy project. There's a little bit of drilling, but other than that, it's just pretty well wrapping and zip tying stuff. Anybody can do it. Give it a try. And once we finish all wrapping, we'll secure the last little bit with another twist tie, and then we'll snip the tips off of those. And there you go, beautiful Christmas star. So thank you for watching our channel, and I hope you get a chance to try this cost-saving star out for yourself. Thanks for watching. See you next time.